Hi guys, I had the following problem. My headlight bulb was broken, and while I was trying to replace it, the little spring that holds the headlight in place just sprung out of its holder and disappeared into the headlight unit. So what I did, I bought a magnetic telescopic holder and searched with the tip of it inside the headlight unit and found the spring. So you can't see what you're doing because Peugeot had to fix the headlight unit so far out that it's more or less hidden. So I made this one. It's just a stick with at the end a small mirror with a double-sided adhesive, and in that mirror I can look towards the headlight unit holder. So that's phase one of the game. So I reattached that little spring you see standing up, and now we have a vision towards the unit where we can place the bulb in. So it's getting way more easy by using a little mirror and a magnetic telescopic holder like I showed you before to find and locate the exact location where your headlight has to go.